mere end nok. Undskyld mig, hvis du fik et chok, da jeg spurgte, om du turde drikke en øl med mig. Et lille smil, og jeg var solgt. Nogle gange varmt, nogle gange koldt. Men vi kunne altid synge en sang om kærlighed. Måske har du glemt, hvordan det var, da du var ung og jeg blev far. Og ting pludselig gav mening, og jeg spillede en guitar. Og jeg spillede min guitar. Christianshavn, et drengenavn. Take away all Marvin Gaye. Og vi gjorde det vi kunne deroppe fra femte sal. Måske har du glemt, hvordan det var, da du var ung og jeg blev far. Og alting pludselig gav mening, og jeg spillede min guitar. Måske har du glemt, hvordan det var, da du var ung og jeg blev far. Og alting pludselig gav mening, og jeg spillede min guitar. Og jeg spillede min guitar. Thank you, stay. Here comes one for the English-speaking people, so you can understand the lyrics also, not only the music. And it's called "I Know You by Heart." That means I know you really well. Not you, but somebody. Didn't know what to expect as I waited for you at the station. 11:45, the time you changed my life and took me on a permanent vacation. You brought summer to the rain, springtime to the pain. You're with me even when we are apart, because I know you by heart. I know you by heart. It seemed I've known you all my life, and I realized you're all I needed on that lucky April day, as we strolled from the cafe, and suddenly it all just came together. Many years have passed since then, and we both know that nothing lasts forever. But every year in spring, I thank you for the thing you gave to me that made my life worth living. You brought summer because I know you by heart. Springtime to the pain, summer to the rain. You're with me then when we are apart, because I know you by heart. I know you by heart. I know you by heart. Thanks so much.